It seems like, Jen, you really enjoy creating content for YouTube in different things you have going on in your life. If you have to pick the top 5 things, let's say if you have to leave Earth and go somewhere else, right? And you're allowed to take 5 things with you. Would your YouTube audience and your YouTube platform be one of them?
Oh, definitely. I would say this channel has totally, honestly, changed my life. I know I only have 100,000 subscribers, but it's really changed who I am. I've learned so much about cameras, about editing, about the games I play on my apps. It honestly changed my life.
But with doing everything you're doing, you're still, you're gaining an influence. There's people that you'll have tiers of fans, fans that would click on your video even before it's 1 second, one as soon as they see your notification. There's probably people that like coming back and watching your videos sometimes, but there, with everything you're doing, there's still some level of gaining following and gaining an influence over people. And a lot of people keep reminding you how much you mean to them and what your videos mean to them. When somebody tells you that with what you do changes their life and how they deal with depression and maybe teenage life and many other important parts of life, how does that make you feel?
Honestly, I love it because I want to be someone that people can look up to. I want to be that person that people feel comfortable watching my videos, talking to me. When people comment on my videos, I love responding back to them because I knew if I was in their shoes, I would have wanted someone to look up to. When I was starting this channel, I felt so alone, but if I can help other people feel more comfortable and raise their confidence, I would love to be that person.